The sun, the moon, and the ascendant, the three main codes of the natal chart. Every person is born beneath their own sky. At the very moment when the first breath joins body and soul, the heavens leave an invisible trace, an imprint of the energy with which we enter this world. This trace is your natal chart. It is not a verdict, nor a rigid destiny, but rather a symbolic mirror that helps you see yourself clearly. There are no right or wrong placements, only the language of energy through which the universe speaks. Among all celestial points, three shine the brightest: the sun, the moon, and the ascendant. Together, they form a sacred triangle of personality: spirit, soul, and expression. The sun shows who you are becoming, the moon reveals what you feel, and the ascendant expresses how you show it to the world. They create harmony between the inner and the outer, between who you are and how the world perceives you. Pause 2 seconds. The sun, the core of your will, the center of strength. The sun is your inner source of light. Its energy governs clarity, purpose, and self-awareness. It is the part of you that longs to create, to act intentionally, to live with meaning. Its position in the natal chart marks the coordinates of your personal sunrise, where your will can shine most brightly, where you find purpose and inner fire. When the sun is strong, you act with confidence. Your path feels alive and illuminated. When it is shadowed, doubt and confusion take over. Life feels dim, directionless. But true solar power lies in simplicity. It's not about ambition or proving yourself, but about being fully present in your choices, your dreams, your quiet determination. The sun is not outer glitter, but steady warmth that glows even in the darkest night. The moon, the soul that remembers. The moon is the mirror of your inner world. It holds your memories, instincts, and the feeling of home. It is the part of you the world doesn't see, but which quietly shapes every reaction. When you seek comfort, when you avoid pain, it is your moon speaking. When tears or joy come without reason, that too is the moon, reminding you that you are alive. Its place in your chart reveals where your heart finds peace and where it constantly seeks warmth. The moon is like water. It changes, reflects the sun's light, and moves the tides of your emotions. When you ignore it, those emotions rise, becoming waves that can suddenly overflow. Its lesson is acceptance, to allow yourself to feel, even when the mind can't explain why. For only through feeling comes release, and through release, true intuition and emotional wisdom. The moon is the water of your soul, and its clarity determines how clearly you see the world. The ascendant, the horizon of the soul. The ascendant marks the moment the light touches the horizon, the bridge between the inner and the outer world. It carries the energy of your first breath, the way you enter life, the tone with which you approach the unknown. Its sign is not a mask, but the first impression your energy gives. It shapes your rhythm, your gestures, and the way others feel your presence. When your ascendant is in harmony, you act naturally, with no need to prove anything. When it's tense, you may feel compelled to perform, to play roles instead of simply being. The ascendant is the lens through which the soul shows itself to the world. And when it aligns with the sun and the moon, true wholeness emerges, a state where thought, feeling, and action flow as one. It is your personal sunrise, the meeting point of your spirit with reality. The sun, the moon, and the ascendant are not separate parts, but three voices of one universe within you. The sun says, I create. The moon whispers, I feel. The ascendant answers, and I bring it to the world. Together, they form harmony, the union of the conscious, the subconscious, and the expressed. When these three energies are balanced, you stop seeking validation or wearing masks. You simply live your truth. Because a natal chart is not a boundary, it's a direction. It is the map of the soul, reminding you that everything you seek in the stars already lives within. And when you begin to listen inwardly, the universe always responds with the same light. For true astrology is not about the future. It is about awareness in the present, where the sun, the moon, and the ascendant softly remind you, you are exactly where you are meant to be.